Black Sabbath. Classic song, but it's really easy to play. I'm going to start off at 12 on the 5th and the 6th string. So you're going to bar them together. And you're going to do a quick hammer on to 14 on the 5th string. So, and it's really quick, it's not slow at all. And you're going to do this 3 times. That's the first bar. So for the second bar, you're going to do, so that's 12, hammer on to 14 on the 5th string. Then same on the 4th. Then same on the 5th again. But at the end, however, you want to do 12 on the 14th, 12 on the 4th, but 14 on the 5th. So you just hammer on to 14 on the 5th. So it's like a ghost note, you just hammer on it out of nowhere. So together it's, and remember the last note is not picked. That's the intro, and this thing is played 4 times. So after the intro, you want to start off with the verse, which is again at E power chord, 12 on the 6th, 14 on the 5th, and you want to do continuous downstrokes that are heavily palm muted. So basically, take the edge of your palm, keep it on the bridge of your guitar, so that you get that heavy sound. It's not fully muted, it's not like that, or loose. Just get that heavy sound, and it's going to sound really good with distortion. And you want to do this for 2 bars. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you want to do the same with D power chord, 10 and 12 on the 6th and the 5th. You're going to do this only for 1 bar. Then you're going to do, so 10 and 12, but you come down from the D power chord and play it at the 5th and the 4th string. And you go really quickly back to D, 10 and 12 on the 6th and the 5th. Then you go to E, 12 and 14 on the 6th and the 5th. Then at the end, you do 12 on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd really quick. So, and the first one is really quick. And this is the first line of the verse. And during the second time, you do the same with E power chord, same with D power chord. But at the end, you just don't do that quick stab at the 12th fret. So you just do, and then after the 2 lines, you want to do, so basically E power chord, slide it down to 8 and 10, which is C power chord on the 6th and the 5th, and do that again, like C power chord, 1 stroke, then D again, 10 and 12. And keep in mind, these single chords are not palm muted. So this isn't palm muted, neither is back to palm muted. After that part ends, you play the verse again, and then there's this one part where he just holds the chords, E for 2 bars, and then he switches to D, but right before he does a mute on the 6th and the 5th string. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Kind of like just towards the end. Then E again. Then D. So the muting is only in the first. Now the only thing left for the rhythm guitar is a slight variation on. Towards the end, what he does is he just adds a note here and there. So for the first one, he adds 12 on the 3rd string. Then when you go up to 10 and 12 on 6th and 5th, he adds 11 on the 3rd string. And you mute the 4th string either with your index finger or your ring finger. Then the 3rd chord, E, is the same. Then when you do the 3 strings, you do a quick hammer on to 13th, on the 3rd string. So And this concludes the tutorial to Paranoid by Black Sabbath. Thank you for watching, and always keep rocking.